Worried your online store could suddenly stop accepting payments? A single hiccup can mean lost sales and frustrated customers. Here's a quick way to see the problem for yourself. Search Stripe Payment Interruptions online store on Google, and you will notice recurring reports of downtime and blocked transactions. Even successful stores are not immune. Relying on processors without robust backup systems can leave you vulnerable. That's why many online store owners choose Easy Pay Direct. With transaction routing, payments automatically flow across multiple accounts if one ever encounters issues. And hosted checkout lets you quickly create links or landing pages to keep sales moving. This setup keeps your store running smoothly, even during unexpected interruptions. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get mobile payments so you can accept sales on the go anytime, anywhere. If you want to keep your online store running without payment interruptions, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form and you will have a reliable, backup ready merchant account. The link's in the description to get started.